Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can add a link in the video description on YouTube. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write comments after watching. So, let's get started. Please open the YouTube app on your phone. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone. The settings will be the same, and you can do it from any device. So once you've opened YouTube, then you're going to go to your section. And then, friends, you need to go to your videos. This will take you to all the videos that you have previously posted to yourself. Next, friends, you'll just need to click on the three dots next to the video. Next, you will need to start by copying the link. You can copy the link to the video and paste it in the description under the same video or under some other video. For example, saying "watch this video as well," and then paste the link. So, in order to copy such a link, you will first have to click on Share Video or Share, and then copy the link. Once the link is copied, once again click on the three dots, and then select Edit. Now friends, select Add Description option. And here you can add some description of any kind. After that, click and hold on the box and select Insert. And as you can see, immediately the link will be inserted. After which you can go back. And as you can see, the link stays. And then in order to save your changes, you'll just have to click Save at the top right. So friends, you will save that link that you inserted in the description underneath the video on your YouTube. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.